Yes, can you all raise your hands? We are doing 7.3 right now. Can some more students raise their hand?
Yes, sir.
Hello, Nishita.
Yes, sir.
Huh. Let us discuss which ones are inverse variation. Okay. Okay. First,
Yes.
can you explain to me what is direct variation?
Direct variation is when the two numbers are increasing and decreasing together.
And what is inverse variation?
When one number is increasing and the other number is decreasing.
Okay. So, can you read the question one ka first one?
Number of workers on a job and time taken by them to complete the job.
Okay. If I tell you five people are doing the job and they
Yes.
take 10 hours
Yes.
to finish the job. Now, let us say I ask 20 people to come and help. Total, मतलब पहले 5 थे, अभी उनको मैंने 20 डाल दिया. So will they take more time or will they take less time?
They'll take less time.
So is this direct variation or inverse variation?
This is inverse variation.
Okay. So for first one in your notebook, don't write anything in your textbook. In your notebook, write first inverse variation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, they're telling us. Okay. Now read the second one also.
Number of pipes in a small size to fill a tank and the time taken by them to fill the tank.
Okay. Let us say this is the tank. Okay.
Yes.
Right now, I'm putting only two pipes to fill this tank. And when two
Yes.
pipes are there, let us say it is also taking 10 hours.
Yeah, okay.
Fine. Now, if I
Yes.
put more pipes और मैं pipes डाल देता हूँ, so will it take more time to fill the tank or will it take less time to fill the tank?
It will take less time to fill the tank.
So more pipes, less time. Direct variation or inverse variation?
Inverse variation.
Okay, great. So for second one also, I want all students to write inverse variation. Okay. Okay, now read the third one.
Petrol filled in the tank of a vehicle and its cost.
Achha, let us say I'm putting 1 liter of petrol and it is costing me, let us say, 80 rupees. Okay.
Okay.
If I put 10 liters now, how much will it cost me more or will it cost me less?
It will cost more.
More. It will cost, अगर यहाँ पे एक zero बढ़ा है तो यहाँ पे भी एक zero बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. It will cost this much.
Yes.
Tell me, is this direct variation or inverse variation?
This is direct variation.
Yes, because when I'm increasing the liter, the money is also
Money is
increasing.
also
Correct.
increasing.
So here they are only telling us which of the following are inverse variation. ऐसा पूछे. They have not told us direct कौन सा inverse कौन सा. So for third one, write down the answer is not inverse variation. Okay, because they are not telling us to tell which one is direct, which one is inverse. So first one was inverse variation, second one was inverse variation, third one is not inverse variation. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Next, read the fourth one.
Area of a circle and its radius.
Okay. Let us say this is the circle and this is the radius. This is the length of the radius. This is
Yes.
bigger circle and this is the length of the radius now. So can you see, जब area of circle बढ़ रहा है, radius का size बढ़ रहा है या कम हो रहा है?
बढ़ रहा है.
बढ़ रहा है. So this is direct or inverse?
Direct variation.
So what will you write in the fourth answer?
Not an inverse variation.
Very good. Okay. Thank you, Nishita.
Thank you, sir.
Students, let me know if there is any doubt in this. Till last time, we used to come to know by looking at the exercise. All 7.1 sums are direct variation sums. All 7.2 sums are inverse variation sums. But यहाँ पे first we should be clear कि direct है inverse है. Okay, because now in the exam it will be mixed. Also, let me know if they have omitted any sums in your school. Okay, that you all can do by message. Okay, Shubhra from DN Nagar. Hello, Shubhra. Hello. Shubhra is not speaking. Okay, fine. Hello, Omkar.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you read the second sum?
Yes, sir. If 15 workers can build a wall in 48 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours?
Acha, actually, we have done this same example in the first sum, no? Question one का first. Number of workers and time.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
जितना ज्यादा वर्कर्स होगा उतना टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा या कम लगेगा?
कम लगेगा.
So this is direct variation or inverse variation?
Inverse variation.
Okay, let us start by starting with lect.
Yeah. Let the number of hours.
पहले workers बोले ना आप लोग ने.
Okay. Let the number of workers be X.
Okay.
And the number of hours.
Okay.
By.
By. Acha,
Yes,
for
sir.
number of hours you can also write as time taken. Okay, the school
Okay,
time
sir.
taken भी लिखा सकता है. This is also correct. This is also correct. Okay, so
Okay,
how
sir.
will we write it?
Yeah. So we'll write it as X.
This symbol we can call variation.
Yeah. X inversely varies as Y.
Okay. So what
Or
will I
1
write?
upon Y. 1 upon Y.
1 upon y. What you read was correct. X is inversely proportional to y, or x varies inversely to y.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, but we'll write it as 1 upon y. Okay,
Yes,
next
sir.
step mein.
Then X is equals to K upon Y.
Okay.
Where K is the constant.
Continue. Where k is the
Constant of variation.
is a constant of variation. वो पूरा लिखना सब लोग.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now
So,
when.
yeah. So now we have to substitute when 15 workers can build. So we have taken when X is equals to 15.
Correct. Very good.
Then Y is equals to 48.
Okay.
Okay. So 15 equals to K upon Y. K upon 48. Sorry. K upon
Okay.
48. So therefore, K is equals to 15 into 48.
48 will go there and multiply. So 15
Yes, sir.
into 48.
Yeah, I'll quickly calculate. 480, 720.
Very good.
So therefore, K is equals to 720, which is the constant.
Yes.
So now our equation. Yes, sir. So equation of equation of variation will be X is equals to 720 upon Y.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
If school might even make you all write in bracket equation of variation. So school acha likha tha, then we can also write it that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, continue.
So now when they have given us Y they have given us Y equals to 30.
30. Okay.
So X equals to 720 upon 30. So therefore X is equals to 24.
20.
Yeah, 24.
So what will you write now as the final statement?
The final statement will be 24 workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours.
Very good. I'll repeat that again. 24 workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours. Okay. Okay, thank you, Omkar.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
I hope everyone has understood the sum. Let me know if any doubts. Someone is saying they have completely omitted 7.3. Okay. My suggestion, Chandan from Parla, is that let's practice it still. Okay, because different schools might keep a different this, so that is why schools are taking a call. But this is not something completely new. It is the same sum. Okay. Even if it is omitted in school, try and pay attention, try and participate. And henceforth, I'll only clear doubts which students raise their hand and participate. Okay, so I want everyone to be a part of the lecture. Otherwise, I won't be able to help you all with your doubts. Okay, fine. Let's continue. Okay, let's try Amber.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Amber, can you read the next one?
120 bags of half-liter milk can be filled by a machine within 3 minutes. Find the time to fill such 1,800 bags.
Okay. So it says 120 bags can be
Yes.
filled within 3 minutes.
Yes.
Okay. So now if I put more bags to be filled, will it take more time to fill it or will it take less time to fill it?
It will take more time.
So this is direct variation or inverse variation.
Direct.
So let's start by saying
Let us take the number of bags as x
number of bags
as
dx
and
and
the time taken by.
time taken b, or we can add to fill it
Yes.
by. Okay. Fine. So how do I write it now?
X is equal to y. X is directly
X is
proportional to
equal
y.
to y. It's called x. This we can, this symbol we can call variation. So x variation y ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. Okay.
X is equal to k into y.
Okay.
K is a constant of variation.
A is a constant of variation. I hope everyone writes this every time completely. Doesn't make the 3 dots like me. Okay. Yes. Continue.
When x is equal to 120 and y is equal to 3. 120 is equal to k into 3. So, k is equal to 120 upon 3. So 40 is our k is equal to 40.
40. Okay. So substitute it.
X is equal to 40 into y.
Okay. Now have they given us something else?
Yes, they have given us the number of bags.
Okay. So which is x or y?
X. When x
When
is equal to 1,800.
1,800. Okay.
1,800 is equal to 40 into y. 1,800 upon y is equal to 1800 upon 40. 45.
45. So 2 2s are 2 90s are 2 1s are 2 45s are. So y is equal to 45.
Yes.
So what will we say last statement?
The time taken to fill a 1800 liter,
Half liter
1000
bag.
half liter bag of milk is equal to 45 minutes.
45
Minutes.
minutes. Okay. Yes, I'll just repeat that. The time taken to fill 1800 half liter milk bag is 45 minutes. Okay. Even for students who are saying this is omitted, it is the repetition of the same sum that we have done earlier. Okay. So make sure you all are participating and understanding this sum.
So can I mute myself?
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Amberly. Okay, let us go for the fourth question. Last time I told Ramandeep to raise the hand. Acha, wait, I have Ayush. Let's try Ayush. Hello, Ayush. Okay, Ayush disappeared. Um, yes, Ramandeep. Hello.
Hello?
I told you to raise the hand.
I forgot.
You're finding ways of running away. Huh?
No.
Yes. Can you read the fourth one now?
Yes. A car with speed 60 km per hour takes 800 hours to travel some distance. What should be the
How many
increase?
hours?
8 hours to
8
travel.
hours. Okay.
What should be the increase in the speed if the same distance is to be covered in 7.5 hours?
Okay. Let me just clarify one thing that when you see 7.5, no,
Hmm?
like this,
Hmm?
if this is confusing, there are two ways of looking at it. Either convert this mixed fraction to a normal fraction. You
That
know
is
how to convert this?
2 into 7 plus 1.
Correct. How much is that?
15.
15. But upon 2 remains as it is.
Upon 2.
जिसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो 7.5 आएगा. ठीक है. But इधर भी if you all notice half means 0.5, no? So
Yeah.
directly also we can write 7.5.
Okay.
ठीक है. So basically what I'm trying to tell you all is इसको देख के डर मत जाना. Converting that is easy. Okay. अच्छा, now answer me this, Ramandeep. When I increase the speed of my car, will then I will take more time to reach somewhere, or will I take less time to reach somewhere?
Less time.
So this is direct variation or inverse variation?
Inverse pair variation.
So let us start by assuming x and y. So let's start with let
Let the speed of the car be x
speed of
and
car dx.
be x, and the time required to cover the distance be y.
Okay, I can even say time taken
Okay.
dy.
Okay.
Okay. Acha.
Mm.
Now tell me, how will I write it?
X is inversely proportional to 1 upon y.
No. X is inversely proportional to y. बोलना ऐसा चाहिए.
Y.
But लिखने
Okay.
का this symbol के बाद क्या लिखूं?
1 upon y.
Very good.
Okay.
So x is equal to
X k.
sorry
X is equal to k.
k. Y गायब हो गया. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, k and what else for k?
K into y.
Into कैसे? Y ऊपर कैसे गया? Y तो नीचे
Oh,
रहे.
yeah.
So what to write? K into y or upon y?
K upon y.
Hmm.
K is a constant variation.
Yes. K is a constant of variation.
Hmm.
Okay. Yes. When yes, Ramandeep. Hello.
Hello.
Continue.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. आवाज क्यों नहीं आ रही है?
Ramandeep, I can hear you. Continue. अभी वो लोग ने x और y स्पीड और टाइम दिया है ना.
आवाज ही नहीं आ रही, बीच में चली गई ऐसे तो. उसने भी बोला है.
Hello, Ramandeep. Okay. Let's try Shubhra again. Hello, Shubhra. Hello. Hello, Ramandeep.
मुझे बैठने के लिए कोई जगह नहीं मिल रही फिलहाल.
Hello.
Hello.
Iman.
Yes, sir.
How do you pronounce your name?
Imon.
Imon. Okay. In first time you're speaking, how come you don't raise your hand normally?
So I do, but sometimes I don't get picked. That's why.
Acha, okay. Henceforth, you always raise your hand. So tell me, what is x ka value?
So x is the speed of car, so it will be 60, sir.
Okay. And what about y?
So we can convert y into minutes.
Y converted. Let it be.
Okay, so 8. So it
8.
would be 8 hours.
Now substitute.
Okay, so x is equal to 60 is equal to k upon 8.
So k is equal to
So k is equal to, so it would be
it will go there and multiply or divide.
so k would be 60 into 8.
Yes. Which is
so 480.
correct. Now substitute it in this.
Okay, so x uh, x is equal to 480 upon 480 upon y.
Correct. Now tell me, what are they giving us in the like values? Have they given us the speed or the time?
So they have given us the time.
So should I say when x is equal to something or y is equal to something?
So it should be y.
Y is equal to what is the value?
7.5. 7.5.
But how did I tell you to write 7.5? 7 point.
5.
Correct. Now substitute in this.
Okay, sir. So x is equal to 480 upon 7.5.
Okay. My suggestion is rather than keeping decimal, no. If you remove decimal from here, decimal के बाद कितना number है?
सर अगर डेसिमल निकाल दिया
हाँ नहीं डेसिमल जब था तब राइट में कितना नंबर है?
5.
नहीं how many digits are there? Is there only one or two or
1.
one? Huh? So only 1 0 will get added on top. So it will become 4,800 upon 75.
Okay.
So now can you cancel? Start cancelling with 5 and tell me 5 how much the?
So
एक digit देते हैं. 5 how much the 7?
5.
5 how much the 7?
5 how much is 7? So 1 the 5
हाँ,
it will be
1 the 5. So 2 carry forward हो रहा है. 5
yes,
how
sir.
much the 25?
5.
Correct. ठीक है नीचे
Okay.
15 आ गया. अभी पहले इस 48 को ये करते हैं. 7 how much the 48? 48 नहीं तो उससे कम सोच सकते हैं.
सर अगर तो फिर 42.
हाँ नहीं did I say 7? Sorry, I made a mistake. I meant 5. 5 how much the 48?
So 45.
Sorry, 8
45.
45, which is that means 9 आएगा ना.
Yes, sir.
तो 3 carry forward होगा. So 5 how much the 30?
5 how much is 30? So 6.
6 the 30 और एक 0 बच गया.
Yes, sir.
अभी वापस 5 से करते हैं. 5 how much the 15?
3.
5 how much the 9?
So 1.
1 the तो 4
And
carry.
34.
हेलो
So, hello, sir.
हाँ 46 आ गया इधर.
So 9.
9 the 45. 1 आ गया.
So 2.
2 the 10. अच्छा अब 3 से कैंसिल करते हैं. 3 1s are. 3 how much the 19?
So 3. 6.
6 the 18. 1 carry forward. 3 how much the 12?
4.
4. So can I say x का value 64 है?
Yes, sir.
तो फाइनल स्टेटमेंट क्या लिख सकते हैं?
So it will, the speed must be 64 kilometers per hour to cover the same distance in 7.5 hours.
Correct.
7.5.
But if you look at the textbook, no, what is the last? Can you see the last answer?
Yes, it's 4 kilometer per hour.
अच्छा. So that is because they are not asking you for the speed. ये correct answer है, but they are not asking कि अगर 7.5 hours के लिए चला तो कितना speed रहेगा. They are asking what will be the increase in speed. तो देखो जब 8 hours लग रहा था तब speed 60 था.
Yes, sir.
और अब जब 7.5 hours लग रहा है स्पीड 64 है. तो कैन यू सी स्पीड बढ़ गया है?
Yes, sir.
कितना बढ़ गया स्पीड?
So 4 kilometers per hour से.
So we'll write it like this. Increase in speed of car is equal to 64 minus 60, which is 4 kilometer per hour.
Okay,
You
sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
ठीक से पढ़ो कि ये पूछा क्या है. If they have not asked for the speed, if they are asking for increase in speed, then you have to mention कितना बढ़ गया, how much it increased.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So now everyone, for your first term portion to get over, no, only Two more chapters are remaining. One is geometry related, which Karan sir will teach you. And next it will be finance related, discount and commission. So both are interesting topics. Uh, I think we can wrap up the lecture early today. So make sure to practice this. And Omkar was telling me to take some challenging sums, but once I want everyone to thoroughly practice it, so next time I can keep some challenging sums for you all. So make sure to revise and come. Okay. Fine then, everyone. See you all.